Hello, good morning students. Hope you all are fine and doing good. Once again your maths teacher Muhammad Irshad is back with you all through this media lecture. This class has been recorded for 1st of April 2020, which will be our 6th class of maths. In this class we will do exercise 10.7. So let's start our class. How to remember the days in each month. There are 12 months in a year, and we have to remember in which month how many days are there, number of days in each month. So how will you remember? There is a easy trick to remember it. So just have a look on this diagram. This is called knuckles. I have written here, use your own knuckles. Knuckles means this joint. You can see here this joint. I am showing with a pointer. This joints where your finger attached with your hands. That is called knuckles. So you will close your hand, make a box like this, and then start from here. This first knuckles for the first month, January. Then here you can see a low area between two knuckles, this one where I have written 28 and 29. This will be for the next month. So this January, this February, here March, then April, May, June, July. So here your knuckles finished, then and up to July you have finished. Again you will start from here only. After July, which month is coming? August. So same here, you will repeat it in the reverse process. August, then here September, you can see here I have written, then here October, this November, and this December. Here you can see I have written. So here your month is finished. The last month of the year is December, finished here. And it's very easy to remember all these knuckles, this upper region. All these knuckles stands for 31. See, all this one, here, then here, and here. 4 knuckles are there. All are having 31 days, and this low area between the two knuckles will stands for 30 days. So except for February will have 28 days or 29 days, and here you can see like November, April and November having 30 days. Here you can see June and September having 30 days. So this is very easy trick to remember the number of days in each month. So from this knuckles, this diagram, you can say in January how many days are there. You can see January having 31 days as it stands on knuckle, and February 28 or 29 days. You all know generally February having 28 days, but after each 3 years, means in the 4th years, it will have 29 days in February, which is called leap year. You can see here, that's why I have written 28/29. So February will have 28 days and 29 days in a leap year. And March, you can see here, March is having 31. So you can see here March having 31. Then after March, April having 30 days. You can see here on the diagram. And then May, 5th month is May having 31 days. As you see, it stands on knuckles. Then June having 30 days. July 31, August 31, because you can see here the last one, July and August both coming on this last knuckle. So July and August both are having 31 days. And after August, September is here in this region, so it will be having 30 days. After September, October having 31, November having 30, and last December is having 31 days. As you can see here, March and December stands on this knuckle. So when you will add all these days, what is given here for all 12 months, you will get total 365 days, which will be the total number of days in a year. And if it will be a leap year, then it will be 366 days, because in that year for February we will take 29 days. Hope it is clear for everyone. So you can stand in you can try this thing on your own hand. Check your knuckles fold your hand and check it by yourself by seeing this diagram. Now let's move to question number 1. You can see in your book page 146, question number 1, answer the following. So there are 5 questions, A, B, C, D, E. So they are asking how many days are there. It's objective type. So what I have explained you on the previous slide, it will be from that only. This question will be from that explanation only. So let's answer to that question. Let's have question first. So these are the questions. You can even find in your book on page 146. How many days are there in a year? So on the previous slide I have explained you, if you will add all the number of days of 12 months, then you will get the total number of days in a year. That was equals to 365. So you can write it 365 days. How many days are there in leap year? If it will be a leap year, means February will have 29 days, then how many days will be there? So 1 day will increase. That means 366 days. Now name 2 months with 30 days. So I told you, use your knuckles to find this. All the knuckles, higher upper area will have 31 days, and the lower area, space between 2 knuckles, are having 30 days. So you can use your own knuckles and find. You can write any months what is coming there with the 30 days. On the previous slide I have explained you. So there I have used April and June. If you will find there, first one is January, then February, so it's 28 or 29, then March, then April is coming in the lower area, so 30 days, then second lower area is coming June. So I have given here 2 consecutive months with 30 days. And now name 2 months with 31 days. So first, only when you are starting with your knuckle, first is coming January on the first knuckle, so it's 31 days. So you can write January and March also there. January, March. You can write other months also which are having 31 days. Then how many days does February have in a leap year? This also I have explained you already on the previous slide. In a leap year, February is having 29 days. So you can write 29 or you can write 29 days. So this was question number 1. Now we will move to question number 2. Write the following dates in short form. So here you have to write the dates in short form. So these are the questions A, B, C and D. For this you have to write the short form. Means it's very easy how you are writing date in your notebook, same like that in the short form. So it is 10 May 2008. So first you will write 10, then give a hyphen, and then May. May means which month? It is a 5th month. So you can write 5 or 05 and then give again a hyphen. And then write the year like this, 10 hyphen, then this is date, this is month, and this the last one 4 digit stands for the year. Similarly for B, 15 April 2010. So you can write 15, then give a hyphen again, and then write the month. And April is which month? 4th month. So you will write 4 like this, 15 hyphen 4 and then 2010. Now 14 July. So you will write 14, just you have to write the month for this July. So which month is this? It is a 7th month, so you can write 7 there. So 14/7/2005. How we are separating this day, month and year? By a hyphen. So you have to put a hyphen. This is the short form of date. This is the way you can write the date in a short form. And number D is 15 August 2007. So you can write 15, then hyphen. August means 8th month, so write 08 and then the year like this, 15/8 hyphen 2007. Now we will move to question number 3. So let's have question number 3. Find the number of days between. Here you have to find the number of days between. So what is question number A? Let's have question number A on our screen. This. So you have to find the number of days between 7 January and 15 February. And keep in your mind, it is between, means you have to find the number of days between these two given dates. So we will not include these 2 dates because we have to find between, not from 7th January. If they will ask calculate the number of days from the given date till the last date, then we will add both. But here it is find the number of days between. So we will take the days after 7 January and here before 15 February. So how we'll do? First we will write the month name January, like this January, and January total having how many days? Use your knuckles, 31 days. So you will write 31. And in this 31 days month, in the month of January 31 days are there. So how many days we will take from here? See, we have to find the days between, means after 7 January, not 7 January. So this from date 1 to 7 is excluded from the month of January. So we will subtract this 7 days from the next date, means 8th of January we will calculate. So this 7 days will be subtracted from the 31 days. So subtract 7 from 31 like this. Minus 7 is equals to, so how much you will get after subtracting 7 from 31? You will get 24. So you are getting 24 days in the month of January. Then for the month of February, similar in the same way, write here the month name February, and in February you have to take the date just before 15th of February, not the 15th February. You have to exclude this date as you are finding the between, days between. So you have to take the days before 15. So before 15 what is coming? 14. So we have to take 14 days of February. So we will write here for the month of February we will get 14. So just below this 24 you can write 14 here. Now we will add this and we will get the total number of days. So for adding, just draw a line below, put addition sign here, then you can add it. 4 plus 4 will be 8, then 2 plus 1 will be 3. So this is the answer. So you can write your answer here like this. Required number of days is 38, means this is the required number of days between, this is the total number of days between 7th January and 15th February. So required number of days is 38. Keep in your mind, this given two dates will be excluded, will not be added in your counting. Let's move to next question B. So this is question B. You have to find the days between 28th of March and 16 May. So this again I am telling you, these two dates will be not added, not included. So first we will take the month of March. Write March. In March how many days are there? You all know 31. You can use your knuckle. And you have to take after 28. Means this up to 28 is not included. So subtract from this 31 days, subtract up to 28 March. So minus 28 will give you 3 days. Means you have taken 3 days from the month of March. And after March, which month will come? After March, April will come. So you can write it here, April. And April, we have to take the total number of days of April, because we have to go in the month of May. So April, total month, and in April how many days are there? Use your knuckles, January, February, March, April. So it is coming in lower region, so 30 days. You can write 30 days for April. Then May. So write here May. And May, you know how many days are there? 31 days. So you will write 31 days, and from the here 16 May is there. So we will take just before this date, just before, no need to subtract here. So it is up to 16 May, the date is given. So we will take a day just before 16, that will be 15. So 15 days from the month of May we will take. Then we will add all this. So addition, you all know, just draw a line, put addition sign here in front of 15, then add it. So 3 plus 5 will be 8, and again here 3 and 1, 3 and 1 will be 4. So 48 days. You can write your answer clearly like this. Required number of days is equals to 48. Means here the number of days between 28 March and 16 May is equals to 48. Now question number C. The same way we will do. First write the month name October. Then 21 October, we have to take days after 21st of October. So this 21 days from the month total number of days of October will be subtracted. So in October 31 days are there. From this I will subtract 21. So you will get here 10 days. Then after October, which month is coming? November. So write November, and for the November all days you have to take, that is equals to 30 days. November having 30 days. Then December, and you are counting just before 10 December. That means you have to take up to 9 December. 9 December means 9 days of the December month you will include. So right here just below this 30, for December you will take 9 days like this. Then add it, draw a line, give an addition sign and add. So this 0 0 and then 9, so it will be 9 only. Here 1 plus 3 4, and this 0 means 4 only, 49. So total number of days between 21st of October and 10th of December will be equals to 49 days. You can write it like this: required number of days is equals to 49. Now let's move to question number D. Let's have question D on the screen. Find the number of days between Teachers' Day and Children's Day. So here one important thing I just want to remind you. Here Teachers' Day, they are talking about the Indian's Teacher Day. In India, we are celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th of September. But here, you know, the whole world is celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th of October. So this is Indian book. So I am taking the Indian Teachers' Day date. So first, you should know the date of this celebration. Teachers' Day celebration, you can write here in a short, just to help yourself, like 5th of September here. So it will be easier for you to calculate the days between this date and the Children's Day. Children's Day celebration is we are celebrating Children's Day on 14th of November. So you can write 14th November here. Now you can find easily the total number of days between 5th of September and 14th of November. So right here September. In September you have to exclude these two given dates. So September total number of days is equals to 30. From this I will subtract 5. Up to 5 means 5 you have to subtract. We have to include from 6th of September. So I will subtract from here 5. That will give you 25. Then after September, October will come. So for the October, all days, whole October we will take. So for October we will take 31 days. After October, this November is coming. We will write November, and we have to take just before 14th of November. That means up to 13 you have to take. So you can take 13 days from this month. Now you can add all this. So draw a line, give an addition sign in front of 13. Now add 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. You can write it 9. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. So you can write here 6. So 69 days means the total number of days between Teachers' Day and Children's Day is equals to 69 days. You can write it like this: required number of days is equals to 69. This is the short form. We are not mentioning that Teachers' Day. Even you can write in another way: total number of days between Teachers' Day and Children's Day is equals to 69 days. Or you can write it like this in short form, short way. Let's move to question number E. Question E. Find the number of days between Christmas Day and Republic Day. So again, first we have to recognize the date of this celebration. So you all know Christmas Day we are celebrating on 25th of December, and Republic Day means this is the Republic Day of India. So Republic Day in India we are celebrating on 26th of January. So I have mentioned here two dates for your convenience. Now it will be easy for you to find total number of days between these two given dates. So first we will write December here, and in December you all know the total number of days is 31, and from this 31 I will subtract this 25 because we have to find the days between 25th December and 26th January. So 25th will be not included. So up to 25 subtract, so subtract minus 25, write it here. It will give you 6 days. So 6 days of December we are taking. Then after December, the next year Next month will come, that is January. So January you can write, and January is up to 26, so we will take a day before 26, that is up to 25. So you can take number of days in January equals to 25. You can write it here 25, and then just draw a line, put an addition sign, then add it 6 and 5. If you will add 11, so write here 1, and 1 will go carry here on top of 0. You can write like this. Now you can add 1 plus 2, that will give you 3. Means the total number of days between Christmas Day and Republic Day is equals to 31 days. You can write it like this. Required number of days is equals to 31. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now we will move to question number 4. See question number 4. 4a. Mr. Virappan took 23 days of leave from office. If his last working day was 16 July, on what date did he have to join the office after leave? Means he has taken leave for 23 days, and the last working day was, his last working day was 16th of July. So on which date he has to join after vacation, after his leave? So first thing is the month July. We will write the month July, and we have to see how many days of leave he has taken in July. How many days of his leave has been finished in July, you have to see. So here he has worked till 16th of July. So from the month of July, that is 31 days, I will minus 16 days, because 16 days he has worked. What will be the remaining? That will be counted in his leave. So minus 16 will give you 15 days. Means 15 days of his leave finished in the month of July. And next, then I have to see for the next month. So next month after July is coming August. So number of days in August. So number of days in August. So his total leave was 23 days. So here I will write 23. And then from that I will subtract this 15, and whatever will come, that will be the number of days utilized in August. So write here 23, because this is the total number of his leave, and from this he has finished 15, so subtract 15, it will give you 8 days. Means 15 days he has taken in the month of July, and 8 days he has taken in the month of August. These two if you will add, then you will get 23. You can just check in rough side by adding this 15 and 8, you will get 23. Means his 23 days of leave has been finished on 8 days of August, means 8th of August. So he has to join the office again on the very next day of 8th, means from the 9th of August. So you can write it here. He has to join office on 9th of August, as his leave of 23 days finished on 8th of August. 8 days in August means 8th of August. So from 9th of August again he has to join his office. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now I will move to next one, 4b. So this is question number 4b. Mina's aunt was on a long visit of 54 days to Dubai. If she reached there on 10th May, on what date would she be leaving? So as she has reached on 10th May, so his tour started from 10th May. So we will include this 10th May. There in the hints also they have given. So number of days in May, means the number of days of tour in the month of May is equals to, you know, the total number of days in May is 31, and from this, from 10th she has started counting, because 10th she has reached Dubai. So just before 10th, means up to 9th May will be excluded from the month of May. So we will subtract 9 days. From the 10th days it will be added. So 9 days from date 1 to 9 of May will be excluded, will be subtracted. So I will subtract the 9 days from here, because I'm telling you, this 10th will be included in his tour. So 9 I will subtract from here, you will get 22 days. Means his total tour was of 54 days. From that, 22 days she will utilize in the month of May. Then in August, after May, June will come. So June, the whole month she will take. Number of days in June will be taken whole, that June is having 30 days. So whole month she will take for the tour. Now you can add this so that we will come to know how many days from the 54 days has been finished. So in the rough column you can add it. You can see here 22 days and 30 days. When we have added, we got 52 days. Means only 52 days has been finished. Still 2 days are left. So we will move to next month. After June, July will come. Means she will take 2 days from the month of July. So number of days in the month of July is equals to 2 days will come, because here 54 days, 52 days she has finished. So 2 more days are left. So from the total 54, I will subtract this 52 which has been utilized in the month of May and June. What is the remaining days? 2 days. So 2 days she will take in the month of July. Now her holiday, her tour finished on the 2nd day of July. So when she will leave Dubai? So she will leave Dubai on the very next day, because on 2nd of July, 2nd day of July means 2nd of July, her tour of 54 days finished. So the very next day will be what date? It will be 3rd of July. On 3rd of July she has to leave Dubai. So you can write it here. Therefore she will leave Dubai on 3rd of July, because on 2nd day of July her tour of 54 days finished. So on 3rd of July she has to return. And then number C is also same like this, A and B, that you have to do as a homework. Number C, you all try by yourself and try to do it by yourself. It will be your homework. So boys, this is the end of lesson 10 time. Hope this chapter, whole chapter, all exercises is clear, was clear to everyone. If any doubts is there, you can see the videos are there in your group. You can click the link and you can watch it. So have a good day. Thank you.